Words F. Find. I can't find my keys anywhere. They find peace in nature. Fine. The weather was fine for a picnic. She paid the parking fine yesterday. Finger. He pointed with his finger to show the way. She had a ring on her finger. Finish. I will finish my homework before dinner. They reached the finish line first in the race. Fire. The fire in the fireplace kept the room warm. The firefighters fought the fire all night. Firefly. We watched the fireflies light up the evening. The fireflies' glow was magical in the dark. Firm. She has a firm belief in honesty. He gave a firm handshake when he met them. First. She was the first person to arrive at the party. He took first place in the race. First aid. The nurse gave first aid to the injured person. Always know where the first aid kit is in case of emergency. Fiscal. The government is working on the new fiscal policy. Fiscal responsibility is important for the country's economy. Fish. I caught a big fish during our trip. They have fish for dinner almost every Friday. Fishy. His explanation seemed a bit fishy. Fit. She works out to stay fit. This shirt doesn't fit me anymore. Fitness. Fitness is essential for a healthy lifestyle. They opened a new fitness center downtown. Fix. I need to fix the broken chair. She tried to fix the computer but couldn't. Fixture. The kitchen has new light fixtures. The basketball game is a fixture in the school's yearly calendar. Flag. The flag was waving in the wind. They raised the flag to mark the national holiday. Flame. The candle flame flickered in the dark. The flame of the fire grew larger with the wind. Flash. There was a bright flash of lightning. She had a flash of inspiration and solved the problem. Flat. The tire went flat after hitting a nail. The ground here is flat and easy to walk on. Flavor. The soup has a rich flavor of garlic. This ice cream has a tropical flavor.